Hi guys, this is Paul. Today I want to show you a quick usability recommendation for the Atmoko website. So I got a massager for Christmas and it was fantastic, and I came onto the website to redeem an offer they had going on, and I struggled a little bit with the navigation, so I just want to show you a quick recommendation for the navigation here. So the navigation looks pretty nice, quite like it. If you hover over one of the drop downs, then the submenu appears and there's a nice little animation as you hover over each link. And you'll notice that if I come over to the right hand side, the support drop down is kind of the same. It's left aligned, shifts over to the right, and products acts exactly the same. Okay, but the icon on the right for the account works the other way around, so it's kind of right aligned and goes over to the left. And that doesn't seem a problem until you actually start to use it and you see what actually is the issue here. So if I hover over the little icon, what you'd naturally expect is that I can just go straight to the login link. But if I do, and I do it very slowly, you'll see what happens. It activates the support drop down. So I was trying to get to login and I end up at the wrong menu. So if we try that again, if I hover over the icon, you would have thought I could just go directly to login or register, but it opens the support menu. And the reason it's doing that is because if I hover over this area, it will activate the drop down. So you can see it clearly now that the carousel has moved. So I don't need to go over the actual word. I can just hover in this area here and it'll activate the drop down. So there we go. If I hover there, it activates the drop down. So now if I hover over the little icon, in order to get to login, I need to come down and across, because if I go the most direct route, then as we saw, it activates the support drop down. So there's a couple of ways we can fix this. One is that if I hover over it, it's left aligned and shifts over to the right, just like the other drop downs they have here. Or the other way I could do it is that don't activate the drop down in such a large area. Like this is a really large area to activate the drop down. If it was kind of smaller around the text, then when I'm here and I come down, it wouldn't activate the drop down because I'm not close enough to the text. So there we go, quick recommendation for Atmoko. I'll send this on to the team. Thanks for watching.